Queen Wasp. That's what we do to contaminated people and contaminated goods. Queen Wasp, you come in like some reject chicken that CB and Best Dress reject. And when them reject chicken, them sell it back at a lower grade. Find it past the A and the B grade, them sell it as C grade, D grade, E grade, and F grade. And you are none of the above, so you are way below reject. You know what you are? You are like garbage. And that's what we do with garbage. We burn it. And that's what they do with contaminated goods. They burn it. Reject things and rubbish go to the dump at Riverton. And it allows people to mingle in it to find any little rubber them can find for sell. But you see, when the goods are contaminated, this is what we do to it. Look, Queen Wasp. We burn contaminated things, and you are contaminated, Queen Wasp. You think me now you say you call up my name? You think me now you say you come to talk to Queen Wasp? Queen Wasp, me here, you know, Queen Wasp. Hear me here, but me never really care. And when everybody a shout out and a tell me about you, hear me here, and me never really care. Hear me here, but me not care. Hey, hear me here. Queen Wasp, let me tell you this. You tried this 2 years ago, and it never worked. Why you think it a go work now, contaminated persons? Because I know you alone in a whole heap of no try it. Why you think it a go work now? 2 years ago, I find a video. And it was before that, but I find a video close to a video where I want to prove a point. And I just say, alright, I'm going to show up them 2 videos. Yeah. 2 years ago, you try to do this when I just come on the scene. When I come out, I come see the whole, I don't know how much years. And them say bird of a feather flock together. And I really true. You and Marcia is 2 colleagues for a number of years. I don't have actually the same symptom. The same bad mind, grudgeful and jealous symptom. I don't have that. Because when you see the progress in our people, when you try to either run into them or tear them down. And if you run into them to try to get a hyper, like you want to play a part, to take the accolades for whatever are going to happen down the line. You see when it not happen? You come out against the person. Someone come directly against the person. Because when you see progress, you understand? They are ahead of them. You see potential. And that's what they do when I come out here and I do a video. Them time I don't even know you're not woman. So you talk about me for stop calling your name and stop follow up your page. I have never commented on your page. And the numerous amount of time you have commented on my page, Queen Wasp. Numerous amount of time. When I know me directly comment to, you go in and my comment, go search it out and search out my people them comment and you reply to them comment. I have never commented on anything for you on your platform. So when you go say me if you stop follow you up on whatsoever, think again. You know said this where you write up, this big piece where you write up. This place me never even see it. Somebody send it to me and me never look upon it. As a matter of fact, the person said, speak my mind, nobody come out here come give Queen Wasp. No knowings. She call up her name. Them time them I don't know nothing where I go on. Me not go look for nothing, me not see nothing. 2 more somebody text me again long after and say, Queen Wasp, I call up your name. One text me and say, you say how much me, you never see me advertise Dana things them yet. Queen Wasp. Queen Wasp, if you go up on my Life is a Mission channel, you see me try to cook things and cook a whole heap of different ways in regular things that you know that cook. Me always want to try to be different. In whatever way I can be different, maybe different, Queen Wasp. Secondly, Dana Kate no need promotion. Dana Kate no need me, you or nobody for really promote it. Kudos to the Planka Nation people them who have platform and want to do it. But you notice, not even Dana really promote her cakes like that. More than when cake season come, she launch her season and she go up on her platform and she say XYZ. Cake season begins XYZ. She will be having this XYZ. And this is the new price, or the price stays same as it is from the last year. And that's it. Cake season never done. She come and she say, well, baking season done next week, XY. Sometimes she say it done next week and continue for all 3 more weeks. The least she might do, or the most she might do, I should say, during the season, is when she come on her platform. She say, no, cake not there today, no, tomorrow. Sweet Jamaica, nobody come tomorrow. Yes, man, tomorrow morning, sorrel cake already, so you can come early in morning. The most she might do. But the promotion thing where she post her cake and post cake, she don't do that. You understand? She don't do that. Because what? The cake already advertised itself. The cake has reached a stage where she don't need to come out here and promote it. Where she don't have no competition. Because your friend is no competition in America. You understand? The reason why Kentucky and these places continue to advertise, is all because they have competition. Because you have the Island Grill, you have the Burger King, you have the Popeyes, you have the this. So they have to continue. But like all Kentucky, they don't really have. Because who like Kentucky, you go buy Kentucky. And who know about Kentucky. So when you go talk about, see me, you're a liar. I come out here and do a video when your friend them a counterfeit the woman cake. And I'm going to prove it to you. And that was like a year and a half ago. I have things that I posted on them. I might don't post the cake. Because as I say, when cake season come, everybody already done it on them platform. Flood them platform with it everywhere you go. Some do it for real, out of them art. Some want to do it for clout. And like you do it for clout. When you post anything for the woman, you do it for clout. Because you want to prove a point. I don't need to prove a point. I already proved that I am a real supporter. I go to 99 Mountain View Avenue and buy my cakes. My brother come from Canada, I carry him go, they go buy cake. I go around and I promote it. I do cake review and promote it. Not cake review to demote the woman cake. Cake review to promote the cake, not to demote it in matching up with you and your friends. Alright? So see you over there, so you hard for Bernie, man. So you're well contaminated chemical in you. We're going to find out. Alright, people. So welcome back. You don't know what to do. It is so easy. Like, share, subscribe. Because this them not like. It is too easy. Subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And remember, please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel. Life is a Mission TV. If you have not yet subscribed to that channel, I'm asking you please to go over there. Family oriented channel, my backup channel. Me start a backup channel, she start a backup channel. And all know it's stagnant like she and her friend them. Just like our main channel stagnant. Because remember, 2 years ago when she had come out against me, and challenged me about Ray. And I come see her on a social media and I surpass her. You understand? You know, long me come on social media, come see her with 2,000 odd subscribers. Little bit. She just kind of gained some traction this year where she gained a little bit more. But not much. And she come out for me too. Me come out and me talk about hustling. A popular word that we use in Jamaica when we are go upon the slave. Or we say we are go upon the slave. That's another word that we also use. We are go upon the slave. Because most time we left and say we are going to work. When fortnight come, weekend come, or mountain come, by the time we take we expense out time, nothing in it. So it coming like a slave, it coming like a hustling. You understand? And she come out and make a big thing because she want to cause a strife between me and Planka people during them time when me just a forward. Just a come to prominence. You understand? Or she want to send a signal to Dana for Dana to come out against me. She come out and say, oh, people like Uno, make the woman look bad. You know, see, all of them sitting the way you do still not work out for you. Because nothing what you do now come from your heart. Father God sit high and him look low. Nothing what you do, all the posts, you post and you this. Me no post nothing. And you saw my heart clean towards what me I do. And all you compare what me I do from what me now do. Who a progress, who a survive. Who the Planka Nation where you try to turn against me is supporting. Because them see the real me. Unlike you, from 2013, you ain't a problem. As what we can make note of since a little saga you bust out. Because most this make you come out for me. True, me say this. I know me say this, you know, them call your name, you know, Jennifer Baron, you know. And me I say, what? I so long you know them you sitting here? Me think I just was there last week. Because the last time I do a video including you, I want video pertaining to Chris. And that was like 7 days ago. Almost 1 week, not almost a week ago. And you're in a social media every day. You watch out my page more than anything else. You understand? Probably out of who you would have called against you. Me are one of the main ones you watch out my page more than anything else. You run up and down in my comment like madans. People, as I say, only know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV and the extended channel and TikTok of Life is a Mission TV. Remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Please to give her a subscription. She need now 101 to make that 1,000. Share on $8.99 when I'm doing this video. So she need 101. So who no subscribe, just go and go subscribe and help her to reach 1,000. It not cost you. The cash app pin, $, Charms and Trend. You want to give me, I use a gift and give back to the needy. Alright, not the greedy. And remember, please to support Charms and Trend. Charms _and_ Trends on Instagram. And you can go straight to the website. Anything you want, Charms and Trend, that shop. Anything you want, customize. It's a season for giving gift. Give a special gift. Give a gift with meaning. Alright? Let me read this, people. See it? This is the post. I'm going to go on our page, go find it. Because I was directed to go to her page. Speak Your Mind Entertainment. And the next old fart. I don't know if she want to say at the next old fart, but I don't know. But I can read again. So I'm going to read it. I'm going to listen with understanding while me I try to read with understanding. Because they are intellectual, you know, and I don't know. Sometimes they make some statement, I don't know if it's mistake or what. Which they should not be the person making mistake. Them should leave it to a dunce like me. Alright? Speak Your Mind Entertainment and the next old fart. That always, I feel like she wants to say at the next. But she say and the next, like she attacked someone else. That always have something to say about every damn thing I post. Stay the hell off my page. I ever commented on your page? Check the numerous amount of time you comment on my page. Directing your comment to me or my supporters. Stay the hell off my page to post what. Oh, stop watch out everything I do. It is my page to post whatever the hell I want. So my page or your page. So when me post and me want to post, you have a problem, you come in and me comment and you are tell me this. You see, you not a fool? You see, so really contaminated. You see why you can't just dash it as bulky waste? You see why you can't dash it as domestic waste, commercial waste? You have to throw away as contaminated waste. And when you throw away contaminated waste, that's what you do with it, like what I just did. You have to burn it because you don't want people to mingle with it. And you know, when you go to the dump, you have those people who works on the dump, they call it their work. They would call it their hustling also. They are not contracted to KSAC or any form of parish council. They are not working with NSAA, but they're on the dump. That's their work. They choose to have that as their work. So whatever garbage come in, they sift through the river and try to find out what they can take from it to go and make $1. So they call it their hustling also. Alright? Not even them want to touch you. Make I get back here, so now. The hell I am not no damn planker, so I don't have to be mandated to post all positive things about Dana. But you want it to be a planker so much. After you have been rejected all about the place. How are this now? This supposed to be I cater to my audience. I say Carter. C-A-T-E-R. Come on. When you come out against all a man like me, we said done, so make me find out all your faults right here. It not look good on your side. Because you're not bright, educated university students. Alright? May I read it as how she say. I Carter, I don't know if I see him or a Chrissy she talk. To my audience, and my audience only, not to Uno. When I used to filter out the negative and only post the positive, Uno never appreciate it. So take what Uno raw get and leave me the hell alone. You have your page and all the scroll me a scroll. I don't see one damn positive post on there with her. All I am seeing, so hold on. You not seen a positive post, so it's a negative post with her? Or it's about Uno? Oh, make I get back there, people. I was distracted a while ago and I have to pause the video. You have your page and all the scroll. Me a scroll. I don't see one damn positive post on there with her. All I am seeing is a bunch of crap about this so-called enemies. No so-called enemies. You are all enemies. Include yourself. You should say me and the so-called enemies. Not left out yourself. Not even her cake flyers or anything to do with her business do I see you post. And you supposed to be a planker. But you got the nerve to be talking about me. I did not pledge an allegiance to her. You did. You ever hear me pledge allegiance to Dana? Me tell you, say me come out here and defend truth and right. The good, the clean heart, the honesty where she have. That don't mean me pledge allegiance. You see me come swear upon the Bible say nothing? You did. You did. So move with your hypocrite self. When you start using your page to highlight the positive things about her and adversity, her cake and her new clothing store, then come chat to me. Move up, damn bright. Alright, my people, make us see if I can show you something. Alright, you see this, see? This is a video where I posted her 2 years ago. You see the title Queen wants someone put a cone there, so. And some Wasp try getting at the cone because she want to be productive, but she can't be productive. So she end up having to go in a little fear little what you call that now, what them use, I try to be like a bees. Yeah, because them are bees, you know, them are wasps, non-productive. 2 years ago I do this. And this is when this is one of the time during the time when she come at me. So when she got talk about me as troll fear page, how did you see me? And you're still seeing me. And you're still going into my comment. Alright? Alright, look at this, people. Look at the title. Cake alert. Please look out for the fake China AD cakes. This is a video where me do Pandana cake when them come out and we understand that there was fake cakes out there. You understand? And this is what I am saying. When me can do things a bit different, I try to do it different. When you look on most of the platforms that support Dana Marigo, you all see it flood with reposting of her cakes, prices and stuff like that. Some of these people do it from them heart. Some of them are genuine plankers. Some of them are genuine supporters then, make I say that. Some of them wanna do it for clout. Unlike you, we post it and do it for clout. Me no need to do that. As me say, Dana Cake them no need to promote no more. All she need to do, advertise say, cake season start. Let's get the ball rolling in the kitchen. Simple, and cake does a sell. There's other things that I have posted on my channel, people, for Dana. Where one day when time she go to Florida down at the Oliver somewhere something, wanna see that, wanna see me post that. The brunch, I think I also post the brunch and something else. But for the cake seasons and stuff like that, as me say, me no see within myself that Dana need promotion. Dana cake season already out there, people waiting to hear she say, okay, today me a start. So what? Get yourself fixed up, man. You try this 2 years and other ago. If you try tear me down, try set me up against the plank of them. Try to carry my name for probably Dana come out against me for you can't sit down on your platform and just like the last time when Dana come out and she lash out against the 3 of us, so I don't know who was the 3, me and the other 2 ladies. And you was one of the first one. Hey, I want to feel. But how much time Dana come out and lash out on you in space a short time? How did you feel? Be sure no one have the same feelings me have. Because you notice the video with me do? Me title it addressing Dana. And you listen how me talk? I didn't come out here feeling upset like you when you come out on your platform. I never upset. So it's a different feelings. Anyway, people, Me did just come out to adjust that, but since we come to adjust that, I just add a little piece of thing when I see where the founder of Vices for Change. I did say it yes last night in the video that I do last night for this morning, that she were threatened by one of Curly man. And what I understand, it wasn't the present man here. It was back in the time when they were affiliated. So where I say, this is long time Curly I do this. Long time Curly I want them woman, but for a big woman, me not expect you to do this. Curly, me expect the young girl them to do this, where them go out there and go take up some man who them say a bad man. Man we have pie, man we have pie down people. Yes man we have clap down people. Me know the young girl them go for them type of man because them a look defense. I never know some old woman like you do the same thing. We say you're a humanitarian and you're a philanthropist and you're everything. Because if you calculate the years of them things that you do, that's what you say. And this woman can have records of you having her man, which you admit say yes the man did do it, but it's when she say XYZ. Anyway, she also said she tell him a whole heap of things and this and that and what and that. And she said she apologized to him because she regret doing it because it is wrong. But at the same time, she gonna say him hurt her feelings with whatever him say or whatever he do. But if somebody hurt my feelings by doing me something or say something for hurt my feelings, and me come out and express my feelings, me not apologize the way how me express my feelings. As I said it into, I don't know if I think I posted over TikTok where I said, you have some people want to run joke with you. They want to say anything to you. But you must mindful of what you say to them. They are not mindful of what they are saying to you can be very detrimental or hurtful to you. But because when they say what they say, you don't take it as if, okay, you're hurt about it. Because one of the things, you know, when a man say I run mustard and run joke with you, if you're hurt about it, don't make him feel say you're hurt. If it's a case where you want to tell him, say, yo, now run a joke with me, it's a different thing. But if you are going to be a person who figure more or less, okay, on a run joke, but that one they did too harsh, don't make him know. Because if him know, him going to continue to do it. And this is what most of want to do. When don't realize that sometimes when I say things to people, but two them not come out with an outburst and feel like say it's okay. It's not okay. And then when me go back now and say, alright, I figure a way out to get back at you and me get back at you, you feel like I shouldn't get back at you that way. Because it is out of place. When you did say out of place because I feel hurt, but I never make you know me feel hurt. So now me gonna come back to do something for hurt you. So when she gonna say she apologize because she do something wrong, and baby, you're not wrong. Me within myself, you're not wrong. You say the man do your things to hurt you, so basically you do things back for hurt him. So when you tell him about him mad and tell him for suck and lollipop and all kind of something, you did a pirate master, so nothing wrong. A regular should tell people them something there. And a fear man. You understand? So people, make her just play a little part there of she saying what she said.
Me tell one man when master did there with some dirty bad words. Let me tell him before myself. Come back from Jamaica, the man can't tell me something and threaten me and tell him some bad words to the people. I now go tell him no lie. I shame myself. I was so shame myself. I tell that man some dirty bad words. Well, me tell him I'll figure take strong go do what's it to him, madam. Shame. Sir, I apologize.
Alright. Make us stick a pin right here, so. And be real. Them say if you call a spade a spade. You hear what you say a while ago? You tell him some dirty bad word and tell him to take strag or what kind of suck him mad and all kind of something. And you have done this because he has come at you. So you were so upset that you do this. That was a one-off. You just judge 99 Dana Marie go. Going through a process like this, day in, day out, 24 hours in a day, and she have been through it 26. So there's even an extra 2 hours. And she knows where you know, she know where Uno no know. She know where we no know. Because there is things that has transpired where probably she's concerned, where have not come to the public. You understand? Because probably it was not done in the public, like on the live, or physically in the public, then for nobody see her know. But it transpires somewhere along the line where Dana herself might know, say, boy, watch her, see beer there. Him just bite up my slippers. She never video it. Nobody never see. But she know within herself, say, beer bite up her slippers. Beer are my dog. You understand? So if beer bite up 2-3 more slippers, she must talk to me before, you know. When beer bite up the first one, you know. And me still allow beer to bite up 3-4 more slippers. And she feel like getting upset about it because me nah do nothing to stop beer from bite up her slippers. And she decide to come at me. Come on. Enough is enough. She a human being. And just like what you say, that's what happened with Dana and this woman here, UNA. We don't know what transpire. As me I say it again. Dana say, I true you don't know. One day she go tell on a planka. So there must be something along some line where this woman is concerned why Dana have that outburst than the normal outburst where we would have no of. Where should I come out and say, don't leave me alone, eh? One not go prophesy over on life, on family life and allow me alone. She go a little bit deeper. Where you feel like, say, boy, oh, she shouldn't do that. When she go talk about the F man and this and that and where we go F your man and what. You feel like she shouldn't do that. But the woman a human being. You can't tell she how to come out. When you did that tell Marcia man how to go text her do her mother. Nobody never tell him mother. Nobody never tell you how to come out. It's just how you feel at the time. And it's just the words that come at your mouth at the time. Because of how upset you were. And for you to come out here and say this, you should have been a prime example of people pushing you to a limit that they upset you, that you have to have an outburst where you're not really that type of person there. Instead, you come out here and make it look as if, oh, no man, that was rude of you for a Christian. Remember, you know, you say you walk with God during them time when you do that, you know. You say you walk with God, you know. Just like how Dana did come in a phone and want to see say she walk with God too. But at the same time, she tell us that she lost her way. Because the bus take some turn round so and through them fix up the road and put new highway at 3 mile. Dana head Portmore when she head 3 mile for go Spanish Town. So she'd have to go end up take the bypass now. So she end up that God come 3 mile and she go her next way. You understand what I say? And she thought that she never hide it and still pretend like, oh, I am so holy. Oh, I still go to church every day. She still hold on to God every day. She still pray to God every day. She still read her Bible every day. But there are certain things that she started to do that is not in line. You understand? And she admit. But no phone still pretend. So you supposed to have the knowledge, you know, say, boy, yes, I have been through this already, you know. Because see, you come and talk there. Anyway, continue.
I was immature, I had no business.
Immature, that you blame it, pan?
I cuss him, man. Me cuss him. Cuss him, man. There was some vice note when me send the man there when me share, man. And it then did release and me did get fire from it. Me deserve it.
You see it? And she never stop. Because despite she come out and tell him what she tell him, and some vice note where she send him some. So it's like she up on a rampage. Whatever I'm done to her hurt her so much that she never feel like she reach a time where she can't stop. She just has send him voice note on top of voice note. Because she feel hurt and she just want to get that feelings off. So you should have considered the same way for 99. Whereas this woman is a woman out here who wanna make her paranoid. You understand? Some simple things wanna make Chigara, you know, say, despite she never really get off. I think it's yesterday or day before yesterday, somebody go in her comment and said something about, you know, she have one little bump right up on her eye right here, so. And like the person that say, well, looking at go wipe out your eye or wash your face or something like so. The person might not be saying it in any bad meaning and a bad feelings towards her, you know. But because the person see the something, she might think a matter. I don't think she said wipe out your eye, something like so. And Donna, she did not disrespect her, but she said it a little harsh. Because, you know why? Uno makes you paranoid. Uno come on the platform, how much she come on phone, she don't wash her dirty face. She wake up out her bed, she never go wash and brush her teeth, she come on live and this and that. So when somebody writes something like that in the comment, remember now, she might not familiar with that person's name. That person can be a person who support her to the I to the T. But she just might not familiar with the name and the person. But to how she answered defensively. It wasn't anything rude, but she really answered in a voice kind of strong. But it's a defensive way because of Uno. And this is what I said to Uno, some on the plank on for understand and be careful sometimes on the type because she's so defensive, because they make her paranoid. She will answer you as a real supporter of her. I want to take it harsh, and then sometimes Uno going now, go feel like Uno being disrespected for somebody with deep inner Uno support her so much. And she disrespect Uno. Uno just be careful of Uno type and what Uno type. If Uno have something want to say, I want to read it read it now in the mind before you type it and say, boy, no, I'm not going to say this because it might misinterpret a different way. So I'm not about to say it. You understand? Yes, don't say it because she paranoid and she might just get out for Uno and Uno feel a way so Uno support her like that, and this is how she deal with Uno. And then most of Uno start up on other platforms now when I like her and say, boy, she very disrespectful. Me used to support her and I stop because one day I go into the comment and I just simply say something like, you should go on at me. Remember, she don't know the whole of Uno, you know. Majority of Uno she don't know Uno, personally. Some of the name might be regular in her eyesight, in the comment and stuff. You understand? Some of them might be donor. But all of the majority of them should not really know like that. So you have to understand that. But enough time when you run out when you do certain things in the comment section and she might come out defensive. You have to understand. So the best thing, you not type certain things. You know no mean no bad feelings for you go type, but just not type it because it might come across different because of she being defensive because she paranoid. Anyway, let's finish this. May I come to the end of the video now? Because Queen was really come out here fine.
Tell the man they don't say, Mafia man, he have him man upon terrorize me. Vice note me and I tell man, me tell him, I say, come off of my page. I say, move. I say, man, when I'm done with him. And I'm going to tell him no lie. The truth is the truth. And I apologize to him today. I don't have his number, I don't remember his name, nothing. But I
don't see where you should apologize. Because the man hurt you so much.
You hurt me, but I had no business telling you about your mother.
Well, you know, probably you feel like you walk with God, but you should think that before you do what you do. Come like the parliamentarian and them come in, come talk all kind of things, and when they blow it in, them come back now when, you know, the business people, them and the people in the society come at them and talk about them apologize. But it done in the atmosphere already. You did already do this already. You should think about that before. You understand? But too, after you do it now, you know, so you go off a real bad way and then you walk with God as calling to what you say. So you just come and make an apology for polish off things. But you never need to apologize, honestly, because if this man hurt you so much as well, you say that you have to behave this way in this manner, you never need to give no apology. Any apology you want, you beg God for forgiveness. No apology, you beg God for forgiveness after you do what you do. Not apology, you beg God for forgiveness. But you don't need no apology. That is what you did want to do, or need to do. Beg God forgiveness. No apology never needed, because you said the man hurt you, so you have to try to hurt him back. What you have said, I try to hurt him back. I don't know woman love tell man for comes because them feel like that hurt man. Anyway, that was after passing in the 80s. That gone from 90s come in that no hurt man again. Only some fool man still make woman tell them, but come suck. Yeah, and them run go lick them in up a jail or courthouse.
I was wrong. Me not too big sister, me did wrong. Wrong. I should not have responded to you like that. And I'm ashamed of myself. And it's something that I have repented of. But I never got a chance to tell that man I'm sorry. I never get a chance to tell him I'm sorry, and I want to use this medium because I've opened it up after 9 years. I said nothing. I was wrong. Sir, I was wrong. I should have never told you about your...
So it take you 9 years to come out and say you're wrong and want to apologize. But you come out, want Dana to offer somebody an apology. And it's like you want an immediate apology from Dana Feet. When you don't know what has transpired between that woman or who that woman aligned with and Dana. I see it take you 9 years to offer an apology. And you just offer it now upon your public platform, on a public platform. We should have this platform long time. From them time they have a platform. And you just see it in yourself to apologize. Wow.
I should have never responded the way I responded. I am sorry. Why you...
Anyway, people, she gone back to the same old story with the whole Marcia thing, so I'm not going to play no more, right? I just didn't want to hear that part there. So, Queen Wasp, when you're going to say, if you lower your page or your page, lower me on my page. You were the first one. As some know you, you come at me first. I can't forget the hustling video we made. When I was just trying to highlight that, the charity that Dana is running, everybody get a little hustling from it. Not mean like in the criminal way. But I like I state that when, well, Dana no call nobody if you pick up, but when Paula get her name and she goes to boom and she call Beer and she say, Beer, come carry this money. When that person goes to boom and they home, probably all frass and hungry, they have no lunch money for go to school in the morning. They have not something to eat in the evening there. And them go to boom and them brrrr, and them look on them phone and them say Paula number. Them know from them say Paula number, them know what is that. Say Paula send them go pick up her money at Western Union and money go or whatsoever. So them know where I go come from that. So them just know can buy a little sugar and boil a little cornmeal porridge. And that was the point I was trying to get across. It bring us in for even people who not have a job, people who go out there and because of them address them can't get a job. Some people who don't have no qualification for get no job, so them have to live off of like some like a flat foot hustling like this. Like a man who go chop a bush, chop some bush, chop down a tree, sweep up a man place, wash 2 car, a woman who go do like a day's work and wash her clothes clean up. You understand? Those are the type of hustling that these people have to sit and wait on. Not saying you might not have a few people who work who might. You understand? Same way you go pick up her money and so. And she make it and blow it out of proportion. And I saw me and her jump off. Until me say she not work nothing. You know what I say? The time I waste on you, I prefer waste it on Beer. And that's why I end up stop in an argument with the back and forth. More than if I see you come out here and being unfair and say something unfairly where I say other things happen with people where you align with and you don't say nothing towards it. But if it happen with another person where you are not aligned with, you come out here and you jump out, I will come out here and say something. You know what I hardly talk about you? Because you don't have no value, no price on the upon you. I carry down a railway gun, people cut them eye past you. And if I even pass, people pass and look at railway gun and not buy. And people that cut them eye past you if I carry down a railway gun. Because you don't have no price, you don't have no value. So I hardly do video about you. Speak my mind, people. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. Come to the end of another video. You don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. And remember, go follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. Follow and like the videos. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Give her a subscription, please, and thanks. And the cash app is there, $ Charms and Trend. You give me, I use the gift to give back to the needy. You ask for it, you get it. If you want to reach out, if you have no cash app, no Zelle, 876-221-9789. When you give me, I use the gift to give back to the needy. And please go support Charms and Trends. Check out them Instagram business page, charms_and_trends. Go in at them DM. Anything you see over there, you can get it customized to your liking. It's a season for giving gift. What better gift to give? More than a gift of significant meaning. You know, your husband picture, your wife picture, your kids, them name whatsoever. Your married picture, anniversary picture. You can put it on it, whether upon a mug, a tumbler, a water bottle, a wine cup, anything, your phone case, anything, go check them out. Good customer service. DM them for more information. The website, you can go straight to the website, charmsandtrend.shop. Bless upon yourself. Wasp, you're non-progressive. A progressive thing me deal with. Me deal with movements. The only time it's stagnant is when wifey hold me down. You hear what? The only time it's stagnant and the one place and when wifey hold me down, if me get a phone call, because remember, me run an online business. Me always have one razor side of me. So she me put one rope around me and tie me up. And gone left her and come back and go lie down back and wrap up the rope around me again. And gone. I don't know who a wifey sleep. And the only time that me might stagnant when me asleep. And all when me asleep, my phone I ring off the hook. I must mean I want answer it. Or me answer and push back a time and say, yeah, well, link me X time. So me don't have no time for you. You're stagnant like your friend them. I'm out.